Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to this week's weekly analysis. Okay, so I've been able to do my analysis and I've been able to look at what the market is representing in this new week. And I want to share with you in this video what my market perception is and what the directional bias is for the new week. Okay, I want you to pay attention to all the details I'm going to be giving in the course of this video, some of the instructions and market decisions I'm going to be making for better experience in this week and to win my trades this week. I hope you planning to win your own trade as well. So quickly follow me to the chart and let me show you a few things. I will always say trade only a setups. This is the dollar index, and I haven't looked at the top down. If you look at the top down from the 1 week time frame, you see that it is bearish. You go to the 24-hour time frame, you see that it is bearish. As you can see, it's written boldly here in that I have marked. So what I'm going to be doing is, as long as price trades within that zone for these 24 hours, I'll be looking for the bearish entries. But when I went to the 4-hour time frame, I found it bullish. Okay, I found it bullish because it's taking out this previous low and this previous high. Okay, so these are previous lower high and this previous higher high. So there's a new higher high here and a new lower low, giving me that bullish confirmation on the DXY. So if I'm looking at this from the 24 hours trend, I'll be expecting to get a bullish confirmation. So expect price to just trade bullish within this zone. And with that, I'm going to find GU trading bearish within this zone. Okay, so in this zone, I did the same top down GU. I'll find bearish entries on this zone. Then if it goes out of this zone, then I find bullish entries as DXY will be bullish on the outside or the axis. I've done the same thing for the Euro USD, but remember the Euro USD is for the VIP community. So if you want to see that, you want to be part of that update, then you need to subscribe to our VIP channel. So for the GJ, I've done also the top down. I went straight to the 1 week time frame and I found it bullish. I went straight again to the 24-hour time frame. I found it bullish. As you can see, rated, so it's all bullish for me. So all the entries I'm going to find in are bullish entries, both for the 4-hour and for the 24-hour. So I'm going bullish full time on GBP, JPY. Anytime I find bullish confirmation, like right now with this one, all I need is on the 4-hour time frame, I'm just going to spot LPOI, and this is it. So anytime price trades within this huge fair value gap, I'm just going to wait for my bullish retracement or my bullish confirmation. Okay, just after the bearish retracement, the bullish confirmation on this axis will confirm the move. Okay, so go straight to the CFD. So on silver, the top down also has been done. Silver is bullish. Okay, so I'm going to be trading bullish. Okay, for silver, anytime I find a bullish confirmation, I'm going to go bullish on silver. Then on crypto, people USDT, I've done also the top down. Okay, so and haven't seen the top down, it's purely bearish. Okay, bearish. So I'm looking for bearish entries. Anytime I find bearish confirmations, I am going to go bearish on the people USDT. Okay, so this is volatility 25. So have a look at it as well. I found it bullish on the 4-hour. Okay, so 8 hours I found it bullish, and 24 hours I found it bullish. So in that case, I'm going to be trading bullish anytime I find a bullish confirmation. Okay, so just waiting quickly to see that before I give that update. Stay active on the group, free channel for this is the free channel, commodity, sorry, synthetic. So for the jump 25, I've done the top down as well, and it's giving me bearish for 24 hour, and then for 8 hours it's giving me bearish, and for 4 hours it's giving me bearish. So I'm just going to wait for my bullish retracement and my bearish entry to confirm that. Don't forget, I've told you, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel or you want to subscribe to our VIP channel, just go straight to kfctrading.com and you'll be part of it. So this is all we can take for today for the weekly analysis. I hope that by this video you must have been able to see what you should do, what the market will be like, what better decisions you can make to improve your trading and do better in this new week. Make sure you remember to join the live trading session, which will be holding 1 p.m. GMT +1. Okay, so in that live trading session, I'm going to be trading with you live and showing you a few things which I think will benefit you and also help you to do better in the new week. Also remember to subscribe to our VIP channel if you're interested in that. We have as minimum as $20 and you are up on our VIP channel. Go straight to kfctrading.com or you go to www.kfctrading.com and go straight to enroll, and you will find all our packages. Okay, any of the package that you love, 1 month plan, 2 months plan, whatever subscription you want, you can subscribe there, and directly on the website you will be able to learn everything you need to learn on Forex, crypto, CFDs, stocks, synthetics, and all of them. And you can master your skill as a trader. I'll be looking forward to receiving you during the live trading session on Monday. See you then. Have a great week.